Hey guys, in this video, we'll explain how you can make a WhatsApp chatbot. So, let's jump into it. Step 1. Getting started. Log into your Infobip account, click on the Answers icon, and select Try for Free. Then, click on your first chatbot and choose Create Chatbot. You'll see a visual builder workspace where you can drag and drop elements to build your chatbot. Step 2. Create a welcome message. Grab the Send Text element and drop it onto the workspace. Write a greeting message like, "Hi there, welcome to our service. Can I help you with something today?" Add a user input block to capture the user's reply and include a fallback option to handle unexpected responses. Step 3. Create a menu of options. Add another Send Text block with a menu of options like, "Please choose an option. Type 1 for product info, 2 for order status, or 3 to talk to support." Use the Go to Dialog block to connect the greeting with a menu and add a user input block to capture the user's selection. You can also add a delay block to give users time to read and use synonyms to understand different variations of answers. Step 4. Link options to actions. Connect each menu option to an action, like sending product info or routing to a human agent. You can add media elements like videos or images, or share your store's location. Step 5. Create an exit path. End the chat on a smooth note with a message like, "Is there anything else I can help you with?" Use a user input block to capture a yes or no response and add a friendly goodbye message. Don't forget to add a close session block to end the session and clear saved data. Step 6. Test your chatbot. Test your chatbot using the simulation tool and ask a friend or team member to try it out. Once everything runs smoothly, hit Activate, and your chatbot is live on WhatsApp.